works, let's say you have a Gatorade bottle, you know, like so. Let's say you have a Gatorade bottle and you really want to open it and you can't. Like, you go like this, thing won't open. You go like, you know, you go like this, thing won't open. So, what do you do? What do you do? Here's what you do. You take a flathead screwdriver, and you pry it under the little ring, the little plastic ring seal that keeps the cap on, and you twist. You twist it, and then you go around, you like orbit the thing as you twist it, and you twist it and twist it as you go around until you finally get the thing open. Like you go all the way around the ring, you weaken up the seal, go all the way around the ring, you weaken up the seal, and you keep doing that until the cap will be free. Just keep cranking at it, twisting at it, rotating at it. You know, weakening that stubborn seal. And voila, you got open Gatorade. Pour myself a cup. And have some on camera. Hold on. Hang on, it's kind of hard to set this back up. Screw it. Have some on camera. Yeah. Alright, so that's how you do it.